Today we're going to be mounting a scroll saw to a board for because next in this video, 2 weeks probably for me, but next in this video we're gonna have a winch system where I can raise it up to the ceiling and it will be out of the way. I want to do this. I would like to do this to my lathe because it takes up the most space. That thing weighs like 200 or 300 pounds, so I don't foresee myself doing that. We're gonna mount it to the board. I might have it sitting up there and just have it get lowered down onto my table saw. I got some winches. I got a winch and some, whatever these are called, to where I can attach it to the ceiling and pull the tool up. Okay, so the winch can hold up to 600 pounds, which is way more than. First, I gotta open these up. I take the bolts off so I can put the winch in when it's ready. I don't imagine this taking too long, maybe 20 minutes to set up. And we're going to attach 4 of these to here so that we have something to pull from. And then I got some other things to attach first before we can actually get the winch set up. Okay, so we got the things, I don't know if you can see them. We got them set up. There's one underneath the light. There's one there. This is where we're gonna have it. Crank it to lower it. It's gonna lower down here because that, I don't use that too much and just clear things out of the way. Hopefully, by the end of this video, most of the random clutter will be cleaned up. So here's the winch. Comes in 2 parts. The main thing. We got some steel cable. We're gonna be using that for the winch thing because the rope broke. And it was basically a temporary solution.